In this video, I will show you how to set timer on Snapchat. So I will show the step-by-step process and it will work on your iOS as well as Android device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat app. From here, if you just click on this drop down option, then you will get the timer option. Okay, suppose you want to post this image as your story, you have to take this post first. Okay, then before add it as your story, you can set the timer. Now it's, if you see here, the timer is 7 seconds. So after 7 seconds it will be automatically turn off. So from your story option, if you want to make it 10 seconds, then within 10 seconds it will turn off automatically. If you make it unlimited, no limit option, then it will still on your story. So I'm setting it 10 seconds suppose. After that, if I click on to send to, then add to my story, then again click on the arrow option, then I will see this image will add as my story. Okay, so if I open it, then I will see after 10 seconds it will automatically turn off. So let's see. Yes, in this way you can set timer on Snapchat. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.